Alright guys, this is about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to go to the grocery store. And they say they're out of groceries. Let's see if anything is open. I was told by the grocery store they'll be open by 8 a.m. So I'm going. And let's see what happens. I don't know what day it is, but it's a beautiful day. No clouds, sun is shining. I hope everything goes accordingly. Good thing is nobody's out. People are still sleeping. Plus the lockdown. Alright, the garbage, people are out picking up the garbage. Okay, the first ranger post we just saw. Alright, camera fell down. Alright, sorry about that. Happens. they've closed this roundabout, so I guess we gotta do it from here. Alright guys, this is Hyderabad. You might have seen this part of Hyderabad before in my videos. It's a Shab-e Barat day, and it's about 8:30 a.m. Okay, now this is kind of tricky. I don't know how we're gonna do this. It's kind of closed. Alright, so there is a way out. Okay, there was another ranger post we just saw. This is the second one I've seen in the day. Wait, there's some roadblocks. I hope the supermarket is open. It looks it's open. How I'm gonna go there to it, that I don't know. That's a little issue here, how to get to it. So I have to make a one-way out or something. The left side is totally closed. I don't know if they're gonna let me go back. We'll see. We'll see another check post in front. Okay, there is. But I guess I gotta go to one way to do this. pie in the sky is not open, that's for sure. Okay, looks like my phone's gonna die very soon. It's not charged. I'm going one way, so I guess stay on the left, right? On the right is gonna be the American way. All I need is some meat and biscuits and stuff, nothing much. And maybe some fruit. Alright, the supermarket is open and I'm here. That's good. Good. Plenty of parking, no issues. No hustling and bustling. No fighting, no running around. So nice and peaceful. You can buy your groceries today.